Hello guys, this is Farhan again with another daily forex forecast video for you guys. Before I start today's video, I would like you to join my free Telegram group where I share my live trade in advance with you guys. As today I shared my pound yen trade with my members, and this is what I shared. I found a pattern on the 15-minute time frame right at the New York session, so I took this trade. I took this trade in my live account and I shared in advance. If you have not joined the group, you must join it right now. It's absolutely free for you guys. So this trade was successfully closed and our take profit was hit. This is how I analyze the pair each day, and I find best of the best pairs to trade, and when I take the trade in my live account, I just shared it with you guys absolutely free, absolutely for free. So do join this group. You can find the link in the description. And before I start analyzing what we have for tomorrow, I would like you to smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done yet, and don't forget to hit the bell notification. Now let's start today's video by analyzing what we have for tomorrow. As you can see, my secret market scanner has identified so many pairs for us. So what I'll do, I will quickly go through all the pairs and we'll find best of the best pairs to trade for tomorrow. So let's start with Euro USD. As I told you in my last video that Euro USD has now become the resistance of this support, and it did exactly what I said yesterday, and currently it is sitting around the support area. So once again, I will not trade this pair. I will wait for the New York session to see if I get any pattern or something like that in the shorter time frame, and when I will take this, and if I will find any pattern or something like that, I will definitely look into this pair. But for now, it's trading around the support zone, so I will ignore this pair. The next is USDJPY. Same goes with USDJPY. It is trading around this resistance area, as you can see, and the previous day bar is also not good, so I'll also ignore this pair. I will quickly go through all the pairs so that the video don't get too long. The next is USDJPY. As I've told you many times in my previous videos that it is in the extremely bullish trend. So once again, we are trading around the top of the trend, so you never know when this trend will end, but day by day the chances increases that it might get reversed soon. So I will also ignore this pair because I don't like to trade at the top of the trend. The next is Aussie USD. The overall trend in the Aussie USD is up. All the moving averages are pointing towards the upside, so it is against my system rule to take trade in it, so I will also ignore this trade for a sell in the Aussie USD. The next is New Zealand dollar sell. All the moving averages are also pointing up in the New Zealand dollar too, so I will also ignore this pair. The next is Euro yen. Euro yen seems like it should break this resistance area and continue towards the upside, but for now, since it's trading around the resistance area, so I will not take the trade. If this pair breaks towards the upside in the New York session, and if I find any pattern or something like that, I will definitely take a trade in Euro yen because it's a breakout trade. But we cannot say anything right now until it breaks clearly this level and do a retest and create some pattern in the shorter time frame. Then I will look into this pair. Next is pound yen. Today I took the trade in the pound yen, as I said in the beginning of the video, and today I don't like this previous day bar, so I will ignore this trade, but I will look for the best of the best one. The next is EURCAD. EURCAD, the previous day bar looks good. It's kind of a continuation. It's kind of a continuation bar, and if you see this support area, it has now broken, and it is kind of making a retest of this area. So I'll put this pair in my radar, and if I'll find anything in the New York session, I will definitely take a trade in EURCAD sell. The next is pound Aus. All the moving averages are pointing towards the downside, and overall trend is also down, so I will not take this buy trade. It's against my system rules, so I will just ignore this pair. Next is Euro New Zealand. Once again, overall trend is down. Previous day bar is also not good, and it is against my system rules to take a buy in it, so I will just ignore this pair. Next is Pound New Zealand. Same goes with Pound New Zealand as well. The overall trend is down. All the moving averages are pointing towards the downside, so I will just ignore this pair. CHF Yen. CHF Yen looks like CHF Yen. I really don't like this pin bar, and the price is now retesting the resistance zone, so I will ignore this pair. This pair might reverse. The more chances of this pair to reverse from here, but anything can happen. But I will just ignore this pair because I only like best of the best pairs, so that my winning percentage gets increased, and as it is trading around this resistance area, and I really don't like this pin bar. Next is CAD Yen. CAD Yen is making new highs, as it was said in the previous daily forex forecast video, that CAD Yen was also in our radar, and today this pair also moved towards the upside. So for today, I really don't like to get into this at the top of the trend, so I will just ignore this pair. But if I'll find the price around this 100 region in the New York session with some patterns forming in the shorter time frame, I will definitely consider a trade in it. So I will just put CAD Yen in my radar too. So right now we only have EURCAD and CAD Yen in our radar to trade for tomorrow. So let's see what we have with Aussie New Zealand. Previous day bar is rejected, and I really don't like this bar, and also the price is trading around the resistance area, so I'll definitely ignore this pair too. The next is Aussie CAD. The overall trend is up, and so I will definitely ignore this trade because all the moving averages are pointing towards the upside, so I'll definitely ignore this trade. It's against my system rules. Next is CADCHF. CADCHF looks like we have a breakout here, and the market retested this zone. So we have one resistance here, but what I will do, if in the New York time I'll find any pattern, I will definitely take a trade in it because it's a breakout retest trade. So these kind of trades works best. So right now we have to ignore this pair unless this resistance is taken out. So if I'll find any pattern or something like that in the CADCHF, I'll definitely trade this pair. So I'll put CADCHF in my radar too. The next is New Zealand CHF. The overall trend is up, and all the moving averages are also pointing towards the upside, and it is trading around the 200 moving averages, so I'll definitely ignore this pair. The next is New Zealand CAD. As I told you in my previous video, New Zealand CAD could continue downwards, and today it did exactly what I said in my last video. So right now I can see the price is sitting around this support zone, so I will definitely ignore this pair. I only want best of the best to trade and get the maximum winning percentage. The next is gold. As I told you in my Thursday video that gold will break towards the upside, and it did exactly what I said, and I took the profit yesterday, and today the bar is kind of rejected from this resistance area, so I'll definitely ignore this pair for tomorrow's market session. The last one is the silver. Same goes with the silver. The previous day bar is not looking good at around resistance area, so I will definitely ignore this pair too. So we have got CADCHF, EURCAD and CAD Yen as a potential pair to trade for tomorrow, and also the Euro Yen if it breaks towards the upside. So that's it for this video. I hope you like my analysis. Please smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification icon. And if you have not joined my free Telegram group yet, you must join it right now. You can find the link in the description, and I would love to hear your comments in the comment section below. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.